This is for my babies.
I was on the lookout for a kinky curly headband wig, and I saw this headband wig that retailed for $600 freaking US on Amazon, and I was like, wow, this is really expensive. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful kinky curly headband wig using only one pack of X-pression braiding hair that retails for about $2 and a couple of cents at my local beauty supply store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveth and I am a Nigerian YouTuber living in Nigeria. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, like welcome back to my channel.
Hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels.
Since I couldn't get X-pression braiding hair in color 1B, which is the exact color of my natural hair, I decided to use like half pack of color 1, which obviously is too dark for my hair, and half pack of color 2, which is too light for my hair as well. And mixing these two colors together gave me color 1B. So when I said I used one pack of hair, I'm actually right, because half pack of color 1 and half pack of color 2 is equals to one pack. So now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like mix the hair together off camera. Like you guys have seen me do this in so many tutorials. So now that we're done prepping our hair, let's just move over to our wig cap construction. So the first thing you need obviously is a weaving cap or a crochet wig cap. This is just the one I recommend. And I noticed that all the headband wigs that I've seen had 3 combs in front, and the wig combs had the same wig placement as regular wigs. So I took out one of my wigs, measured the distance between the combs in front, which was about 7 inches, and transferred the measurement onto my wig cap. So now, using this headband that I've had for like over 2 years, I'm just going to go ahead and sew this area across the area that I marked, alright?
From your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite, that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. And even if you let your
Headbands are really affordable. I saw a pack of 3 headbands on Amazon that cost about $2. So all the products that I'm going to be using for this tutorial are going to be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So now that I'm done sewing our headband, I'm just going to go ahead and sew down my wig combs to my wig cap. And as you guys can see, my wig combs are old because I just took them out from the wig that I showed you guys earlier on. I was filming this tutorial around like 1 a.m. I didn't have any supplies at home. I just like went through all the stuff that I had and tried to put everything together to give you guys this tutorial. So most of the things that I'm going to be using are not new, but you guys get the point. If you don't have wig combs at home, or you can't find wig combs at your local beauty supply store, you can also get these combs that are used for hair fascinators. Just break the comb into 2 and you'll be good to go. So it's time to attach a Velcro. I was just like scouting over my apartment looking for things that had Velcro, and luckily I found one. If you have any old face cap that you no longer use, you can take out the Velcro and you'll be good to go. If you have any armband, that you use workouts and all of that, you can take off the Velcro again and you'll be good to go. I also saw a set of 4 strips of Velcro on Amazon, which was really affordable. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link as well in the description box down below. So now I'm done sewing my Velcro to my headband, but because I wanted to put this hair up in a bun or in a pineapple for it, and I'm like going to the gym and all of that, I realized that it would have been impossible to do that with the way my Velcro was sewn. So off camera, I took off the Velcro, cut it into 2, bent my headband into 2, and reattached my Velcro. So now that our hair is prepped and our wig cap is ready, our combs are attached and all of that, I'm just going to go ahead and crochet our braiding hair to the wig cap.
I knew that I'd be down for the fall if it happened. much unspoken.
Whenever you get to the point where you have the combs, you want to kind of like put the combs out before you start crocheting the hair, so you don't kind of like rip your wig cap apart. And at this point, this is the only hair that was left from our one pack of braiding hair. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to crochet this hair really quickly. The first thing you want to do is insert your crochet needle to your cap, place the hair inside the hook and close the latch. And then you want to go ahead and pull the hair out like so and make a loop with your fingers. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and pull the longer part of your hair through the loop. Turn that over like so and pull it down until it is tight and secured to your cap. So as you guys can see, at the back I used bigger pieces of hair and spaced them apart, but when I got to the front I had to use like smaller pieces of hair because I want the front to look full and seamless. You just want to have like the perfect blend, okay? So now at this point I'm done, and this hair is so beautiful, and you can actually go ahead and, you know, put it on as it is.
Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here.
So it's time to curl our hair, and to do that I'm going to be using my recycled straws because I didn't have any like new pack of straws at home and some bobby pins. I was filming this tutorial around like 2-3 a.m. and I just had to use everything that I had at home. Luckily I had a wig cap, you know, I had some old straws, I had bobby pins, I had my old headband that was probably 2 years old, and you know, and everything worked. So just look around, you'll be surprised at what you have, okay?
Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded. Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here.
For those of you who live in countries where straws are banned or find it difficult to get sturdy straws, feel free to use a spiral curler or barbecue skewers. However, if you're using barbecue skewers, you have to kind of like pre-curl the hair before attaching it to your wig cap. So now I'm done curling my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in hot water, but before then I'm gonna go ahead and add some conditioner. This is just gonna make sure that the hair is soft. It's gonna add luster to your hair, I know, and it's just gonna reduce the amount of frizz, period. I'm just gonna go ahead and allow the hair sit in hot water for about a minute, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair sheen. And guys, doing this is just like applying highlighter for your hair. So at this point my hair was completely dry, and I just went ahead to like take off the straws. And guys, when I tell you that this hair is pretty, this hair is pretty. Like everything that I used to do this hair, even if I was to buy everything from scratch, all right, like I was to get like a wig cap, wig combs and all of that, like Velcro, guys, everything would have cost me less than $10, period. If you're in Nigeria, $10 is about 4,500 naira. These companies know that black men will do anything for their hair, okay? And I know there are a lot of you who are struggling at home trying to survive and who don't have that amount of money to spend on hair. So here's your way out. I filmed this tutorial on the 19th of August, but guys, I was really sick, so I had to like take a break. That's why I have like different sets of nails on, all right? We just hit 170,000 subscribers and I am so grateful. Okay, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Like guys, please make sure you hit that share button.
That's alright.
I went ahead and filmed another tutorial on how you can make your own headband using just needle and thread, but because I didn't want this tutorial to be like too long, I decided to upload that tutorial separately. So make sure you check out that tutorial because you might have any piece of fabric at home and you might just want to recreate, you know, your own custom headband, right? So now it's time to put our headband wig to test, and because I wanted this to just be like, you know, an easy grab and go, I'm not going to do anything special to my edges. I'm just going to go ahead and apply shine and jam to my edges, tuck my braids beneath my stocking cap, and effortlessly put on my headband wig. But before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and just, you know, pretend that I got this hair from somewhere. So the hair I'm using for this tutorial is Loveth Speaks DIY Kinky Curly Headband Wig. This headband wig has a comb on the front, 2 combs at the side, a comb at the back. It has a Velcro attachment. Like, this headband wig is bomb. And the best part is that this hair cost $2.15, and putting this on took me about 2 minutes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys like the different ways you can style your headband wig, with the last style being my favorite option. Okay, this headband wig is so versatile and I love the fact that it blends effortlessly with my natural hair, as you guys can see. So I was so happy that I was able to achieve this hairstyle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not, and turn on your notifications. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you also hit that like button. If you have any requests or any video you'd like me to recreate, please make sure you leave that in the comment section as well, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.
Cause I'm working out for whatever I want. All around the world, beautiful people making a living like. We keep rolling and rolling. All around the world, beautiful people making a living like.